sa stage. Welcome, Sophia and Micah. What would you like to say to everybody? Napakadami niyong fans sa crowd.
Una-una, hello everyone! Maraming salamat sa pagpunta and sobrang excited kami na makipaglaro sa inyo. Yeah!
How about you, Micah?
Hi everyone! I know it's been a while since I've been on a stage and I'm so happy to be with so pretty ladies right here, lalo na si Joy.
Thank you. Well, welcome to the honor stage, Micah and Sophia. And of course, for today, hindi tayo mag-isa dito dahil sasamahan tayo ng inyong mga masiswerte fans. Kaya naman, let's call on some people to join us here on stage. But before that, we're gonna be having a little activity then this afternoon. Okay, so we have here Sophia and Micah. Excited ba kayo sa event natin?
Yes!
What are you guys most
Yes!
excited about? Super excited.
Yeah, super excited ako mag-create ng sa inyo.
Mag-create ng memories. Sophia, may na-interview akong fan mo kanina. Sabi niya fan siya since 2020 pa siya. And one thing that she mentioned as well is how great you are when it comes to your fans. Ano yung message na gusto mo ibigay sa kanila? Lalo na yung mga naghintay mo pa kaninang umaga.
Ako po, syempre, sa lahat ng supporters, tinatrato ko sila na parang family kasi like I always say, wala ako dito sa harap nyo ngayon kung wala yung mga taong sumusuporta sa akin. And sobrang mahal na mahal ko kayo and thank you for always being there, even through my ups and downs.
Thank you. Micah, ikaw naman, what message would you like to say to your fans who are here since morning?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much for coming guys. I know it's been a really hot day ngayon and for you guys to come here and take time talaga na makasama kami, we're so thankful.
Of course, we're also thankful that you guys are here with us on stage. Sobrang excited kayo namin. Lalo na yung mga fans nyo, meron dyan mga nakasuot pa ng shirts. Kaya dito, ayun, may dala pa silang mga placards, banners, stars for you guys. So anong pakiramdam na ang daming nagmamahal sa inyo, knowing na ang hirap-hirap ngayon sa industry, lalo na ang daming artista, but there are people who are willing to really go out their way just to shower you with their support and love.
Syempre po, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi pwede naman na manood lang online pero they really make their time to show up sa mga events like this to really show na sinusuportahan nila kami, mahal nila kami. Also, of course, the launch of Honor 600!
Yes, we are so excited for that. This is the first day sale of Honor 600 5G. Mike, ikaw naman, ang pakiramdam na mahal ka ng tao?
Well, thank you. Yeah, pero thank you guys kasi I know I've been very authentic with myself and alam kong cutthroat business talaga ang industry na to and I'm really thankful for the support and love.
Yes, kaya naman, of course, hindi lang dalawa kasama natin dito sa stage at hindi lang kayo ang magiging, of course, parang players natin for this afternoon's activity. Kaya naman, we would also like to invite here on stage to join us this afternoon ang model and beauty queen, Alethea Ambrosio!
Yes! Hello mga Jusa!
Hello, Alethea! So we are here with Sophia and Micah, and of course, we've been waiting for your presence here on stage because we love to see your beauty.
Thank you
and
so
love
much
you to
for
join us
having
here.
me.
Yes, of course. What message would you like to send out to people who are here this afternoon?
Magandang hapon, Honor Philippines! Yes, parang kulang yung energy nila.
Okay, let's pump up the crowd for this afternoon. Again, would you like to greet them with your high energy?
Magandang hapon, Honor Philippines! I love the energy!
Of course! Alam niyo, napakadaming energy talaga ang baon ng ating honor fam for this afternoon and for our event. Kaya naman, hahatakin natin yung energy na yan because we got some few fans who will be joining us here on stage wherein you guys will get to do a fun interactive activity with them using the Honor 600 5G. So to help you out with our fun activity, we have here 3 fans lined up and ready to come up here on stage and join you. So please go to your partners, everybody. So we have 3 lucky fans. Okay, I'm just gonna start over here. Hi! So you chose Alethea. What is your name?
I'm Francis.
Franz Anthony. Franz Anthony, anong oras ka pa nandito?
9 p.m. Ay,
9 p.m.
Early
Sinara mo
bird.
yung mall, ba? Sorry na nagbukas. So 9 a.m. pa. Sino ang inaabangan mo?
wala po actually. Support lang po ako sa Bilin Mama.
Ah, support ka sa nililigawan mo. Sino ba yung nililigawan mo?
Si Joey.
Si Joey, yung kanina dito. Napakaswerte naman pala ni Joey. Thank you so much, friends, for that. At kayo ang magiging partner ni Aletea this afternoon. And now, we meet the partner of Micah. Ano naman po ang name natin, sir?
Hi guys, I'm Mark Andro Ganar.
Mark. Sir Mark, taga saan ka?
Bulacan.
Bulacan! Napakalayo! At
Ako din taga
napaka-traffic.
Bulacan. Share ko
Talaga?
lang.
Taga Bulacan ka rin. Ah,
Oo.
yes. Of course, you represented Bulacan when you competed nationally.
Yes.
So, dahil taga Bulacan kayo, kamusta ang biyahe papunta dito?
Ulit naman, makikita ko yung rap gel.
Nasaan yung mga fans ng Rapture? Grabe! Sulit na, no? Kasi imagine, nakita nila kanina when they're walking to the backstage and makikita nyo pa later here sa stage. Ano naman ang gusto mong sabihin sa mga taong katulad mo na naghintay mula pa umaga para supportahan lang ang Rapture?
Cannot wait to, ulit naman yung pag-iintay. Enjoy nyo lang.
Enjoyin nyo lang. Thank you so much, Mark, for that. And next up, we have here a very beautiful lady. Hello. Anong pangalan mo?
I'm Shine po.
Shine, you'll be partnered with Sophia. Ano naman ang gusto mong sabihin to Honor and to everybody who are here tonight para naman sa ating fan activity?
Of course, I want to support Honor po, especially yung boyfriend ko po kasi really love niya po talaga yung Honor. And of course, sinusupport ko po yung Rabdel, especially Robin po. And syempre po and other artists din po. And of course, about po sa activity, hoping po na let's all have fun na po.
Sino ang boyfriend mo?
AJ po.
Si AJ yung kanina. Parang mag-jowa lahat na pinupunta natin dito sa stage. So thank you so much. Sophia, kayo ang mag-partner ngayong hapon. So if you guys are ready, we're gonna be playing the game called Real or Made with Honor AI. So basically, we'll be flashing two photos on screen. Huhulaan nyo lang kung alin doon ang Made with Honor AI. We'll begin with our first players, yung ating first team. We have Aletea and Franz Anthony. Franz Anthony. So Sophia and of course Micah, please come over here first. We'll begin with our first players, Aletea and Franz Anthony. So please direct your attention to the screen. Ang kailangan nyo lang sabihin ay kung alin ang photo na made with Honor AI. Ready? Okay.
Ready ka na ba?
So
Tabi
ready?
nga tayo para
Franz
makita
Anthony
natin.
and Aletea, which one among these photos are made with Honor AI? 3, 2, 1, let's flash it. Oh, kabog. Alin dyan?
Nahirapan ako dito. Grabe.
Para ka binigyan ng teacher
Anong
mo ng
masasabi mo?
ng multiple choice sa quiz tapos pare-parehas yung itsura ng sagot.